Hey guys, this is Nishant from TechnoCake, and today I have with me the DJ Flip cooling pad. So it is a main Chinese cooling pad which you can get from a lot of sources like AliExpress, Alibaba, and even Amazon. So it is marketed by several names. I have with me with the name of DJ Flip CP002. So I got it for less than $1, that is 50 rupees, and it is very portable, I suppose, and it comes in the hand firmly. It says that it is ideal for 15 inches laptop and it provides good cooling, etc. On the back also it says imported by and other stuff. The specifications are the product size, dual cooling pad, the portable design, fan size, material plastic, and suitable for laptops below 15.6 inches. So I have been using it for a while now, and I packed it as to do an unboxing of it. So here is the original fan. So you can open the legs of it by just pulling them outside, and here is it all. So it is really portable, but the span of this is not 15.6 inches, guys. So it has a USB cable, and the build quality is really not nice. As you can see, the plastic is a little contractable and it does not seem very nice. There are two very small fans, and for a comparison I have with me the Zenfone 2, and it is in equivalent to almost Zenfone 2. It is a 5.5 inch device. So it is not the best cooling pad at all. It is the most cheapest cooling pad you can get. So let me just show you how to set it up. So this is how the fan will be there. The DJ Flip logo, the main logo, would be on the bottom side, and the cable is also very small, and for some laptops it may be that you will not be able to apply it on the laptop. So I have with me a 15.6 inches laptop, and as you can see, it completely covers it, and it is very small, so it doesn't wobble. That is a good thing. So it does not wobbles, but if you forcefully try to wobble it, it may wobble. So right now, as you can see, it is completely covered and it is safe. And if I show you the size comparison, this is how it will be. So as you can see, it covers the vents here, which are for the CPU. And it will be in the position of this. So I also tested the CPU temperature, and I got a difference of around 7 degrees. So that's not the best difference you can get, but this is just cost around $1, and it is acceptable that it ranges from 7 to 10 degrees there. So that's it for now, guys. The cooling pad is not the best you can get, but still you are getting it for around $1, and there are hardly any cooling pad which starts from $10. So if you want a good quality cooling pad which you would like to make it sustain around 1 to 2 years, buy a good cooling pad and spend some bucks. But if you want it urgently, and if you don't mind that if it may break after 3 or 4 months, then you can definitely go with it. It is not the best as said, but it can do the work. So that's it for now, guys. If you like the video, then do hit the like button and do subscribe for more such videos. And one more thing, guys, this cooling pad is ideal for less than 15.6 inches. I would recommend to use it for less than 15.6 inches, like 14 inches or 10 inches. But if you have a 15.6 inches laptop, make sure that the vents of the laptop are in the middle, just like the laptop which I showed you. So that's it for guys now. This is Nishant signing off.